Commissioner Militaire of the Erie County Health Department, who never showed up at the August 15th meeting with the other city officials, state and federal representatives. In regards to the Chandler Street fire, when the Clean Air Coalition stepped in 11 hours and took an air sample, give a hand to the Clean Air. And the benzene levels 11 hours later were 10 times the legal limit. We are talking about extremely toxic levels of benzene that the residents were exposed to all day long. No one has stepped up to take the responsibility for the mishandling of the incident from the start. Again, no one knocked on our doors or told the residents walking around the streets to go back in their homes.
We want a meeting! We want a meeting!
We are at risk every day in the town of Tonawanda and surrounding neighborhoods of being exposed to environmental toxins such as benzene and other toxic chemicals. Benzene is one of the most toxic chemicals known to man, and our families and neighborhoods should not have to breathe in these toxins. We as a people have the human right to breathe clean air. We want our communities to be safe from chemical toxins without fear of continued diseases and cancers affecting our families. We demand respect and answers from the health department.
So we are here at the steps of the Erie County Health Department. We were supposed to be down the street at the New York State Health Department. Governor Cuomo heard we were getting together. He didn't like that too much. So he told us we could have what we wanted. Governor Cuomo, I want to be clear about something. We did not rally at the State Department of Health today because you promised that you would meet with us by the end of October. If you do not meet with us by the end of October, you better bet we're going to be at the State Department of Health. There'll be double the numbers, and your face will be on every poster there. I'm speaking today to the commissioner because as someone who's not sick, okay, but I'm not the rule, I'm the exception. There's a lot of people in this crowd today who are very sick, who are battling chronic health issues, who were throwing up in the streets during that fire. Okay, people in our neighborhoods are breathing in benzene at an unhealthy level, as if there was such a thing as a healthy level of benzene. And the Erie County Health Department would have you believe that they are doing everything in their power to address it. But that's a lie. That's not true. Our residents are dying and suffering in part because of benzene, but they're also suffering because of incompetence, because of racism, because of classism, because in the words of AIDS activist Vito Russo, they're dying from indifference and from red tape. So, Commissioner, you haven't seen what I've seen, okay? You haven't been to funerals. You haven't baked food for the neighbor who's going through chemo. You haven't had to suck in the fumes when you wake up in the morning, having to wonder what's happening to your health. But no, he doesn't know that because he doesn't come to our neighborhood. We want a public meeting with the commissioner to discuss how he's going to do a better job